Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on generational communication. The question is, what's the big deal? Hey, say Kit, I've heard of this Workforce 2020, and I'm not sure how it'll affect me. I'm established in my position. I'm secure with my skills. I work well with my coworkers. I'm glad to hear that you are established in your position and secure with your skills. However, the demographics of your coworkers over the next few years will probably change a lot, and you may need to also. Currently, there may still be a few veterans or traditionals, the oldest generation, actively and gainfully employed in your organization. And today, the baby boomers may still be the majority of your workforce, around 30% or so. But they are retiring quite quickly and seeking other life pursuits other than work and career. Generation Xers are moving into more leadership positions. They currently make up a little less than 30% of the workforce. There are a few more millennials or Gen Ys than Generation Xers working today. Now we add in the Gen Zs at about 10 to 15%, depending on your organization or industry. Well, let's take a look at 2020. The workforce will have about 20% baby boomers, 26% Generation Xers, and if you combine millennials and Gen Z, these two youngest generations will make up around 53% of the crew. Now toss in the variables of virtual reality, social media, human diversity, information overload, institutional security, technology, and globalization. Now, that's a big deal. Oh my, now I get it. I will be shifting from being the largest generation to just being another generation. Maybe I shouldn't be so confident about my position or my skills. Maybe I should concentrate on my ability to adapt. I haven't stretched those muscles for a while. So the question was, what's the big deal? This is. There are many powerful forces at play. If your organization is feeling the strain of change caused by generational differences, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide a presentation packed with strategies for success. Check back to welchlin.com regularly for a new video blog.